Just happened. We just missed the train last time. As soon as I left Lake Street, I missed it was the crossing went down again, but I just didn't bother stopping. So yeah, once again I seen a worry brain again. On his side, on the first closure, he seen the train had a lot of graffiti on it. Should not miss that like bit. Oh well, it's definitely fine. And of course, my with idiots always just do that. Like, just what does that say? OXOXO. Don't know what that means. Like, it's like you can even see the hydraulics company. Literally, you can't even see it at all. You can only see the high on it just. Well, as soon as the bar just lowered, it looked like it just did a tap like that. It looked like it banged harder by the looks of it. Oh, I don't think Rory Rain would actually come on the Antrim road. Well, Bells Road rather. I don't know, like. Well, he almost like comes to Lake Street every single day, like. But probably, I would say just sometimes he would probably do Antrim road probably. He would obviously take photos of the train, like, but he would take videos or photos, but he just doesn't have a channel. I was thinking we would stay on for the next train, 51 service. The Bangor, or Craigavon Street, or Lurgan or Long Harbour, or Whitehead. What is that there? Don't even know what that is. Don't hand him over, don't play England's game. That's Irish right there. Yeah, this is the Irish part of Lurgan, by the way. I'm sure you know that. And I'll just not talk about it. Yeah, but it has been by, but only because there's another one coming.